Hello and welcome to Health Haven channel. I'm a healthcare expert, and today I want to talk to you about MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides. MCTs have become increasingly popular in recent years due to their potential health benefits, which include weight management, improved exercise performance, and support for neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy. MCTs are a type of fat that is metabolized differently than other types of fats. They are rapidly absorbed and metabolized in the liver, making them a quick source of energy for the body. MCTs are available in several forms, including MCT oil, MCT powder, and MCT capsules. MCT oil is the most common form and can be added to smoothies, coffee, or used for cooking. While MCTs are generally considered safe for most people, there are certain individuals who should avoid or limit their use. For example, individuals with liver disease or a history of pancreatitis should avoid or limit their use of MCTs. Additionally, individuals with diabetes should be cautious when using MCTs and monitor their blood sugar levels closely. One of the most significant benefits of MCTs is their potential to aid in weight management. MCTs have been shown to increase feelings of fullness, reduce calorie intake, and boost metabolism. Studies have shown that consuming up to 30 grams of MCTs per day may help with weight loss. MCTs have also been shown to support exercise performance. When consumed before exercise, MCTs can provide a quick source of energy for the body, leading to improved endurance and performance. For athletes or individuals looking to improve exercise performance, doses of 10 to 30 grams per day have been used. Another potential benefit of MCTs is their ability to support neurological conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy. MCTs have been shown to increase ketone levels in the body, which can provide an alternative source of energy for the brain. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with neurological conditions that affect energy metabolism in the brain. However, it's important to note that MCTs can cause digestive discomfort, such as diarrhea, bloating, and abdominal cramps, especially when consumed in large amounts or by individuals with underlying gastrointestinal issues. It's important to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it to assess tolerance. The recommended daily dose of MCTs can vary depending on the individual and the reason for use. For general health and well-being, a dose of 1 to 2 tablespoons of MCT oil per day is a good starting point. For those looking to support weight loss or weight management, doses of up to 30 grams per day have been studied. It's important to follow the recommended daily dose and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about using MCTs. In conclusion, MCTs are a unique type of fat that may offer several potential health benefits. However, it's important to approach them with caution and follow the recommended daily dose. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more healthcare tips and advice.